Alright, we're going to open up this pack. Dragon Ball Z. Duane, go ahead and open it up, buddy. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. There you go.
This.
Let's see here. I think those are the back of the cards, buddy. There you go.
This there.
Let's see. Alright. Blue eating drill. This looks like a Arnold 16. An Arnold Blast U77. Very cool. Alright. Transformation drill. Oh, look at that one, Duane. It has 3 eyes. You see that? That's pretty cool. Tri-beam. Try for 3. Skull jab. So he's jabbing him. Like karate. Very cool. Blue slide. Very cool. Ooh, what's that one? Okay, red capture. Very cool. Orange plain block. And there's the back of the cards. They're all like very cool. Last one. What do you think? Yeah? Or do you want to stick with baseball? Football?
These ones.
Those are your favorite?
Yeah.
Alright, can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Say see you later.
See you later.